In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow users to reset their own passwords on Google Workspace. If you manage a Google Workspace organization, enabling self-service password recovery can dramatically reduce support tickets and help your users get back into their accounts quickly and securely. You'll need to be signed in to the Google Admin Console with a role that has permission to change security settings, typically a super admin. Start by opening the Google Admin Console in your browser and signing in with your administrator account. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and open the security section. This is where Google centralizes settings that govern sign-in, authentication, and protection for your users. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the security option. Inside security, choose authentication. Think of authentication as the home base for how your users prove who they are, including sign-in rules and recovery options. From here, select Account Recovery. This area controls how users can regain access if they forget their password or get locked out. Within Account Recovery, open User Account Recovery. This page focuses on standard users and delegated admins, separate from super admin recovery controls. You're in the right place if your goal is to let users help themselves without relying on IT each time. Now turn on the option that allows users and non-super admins to recover their account. Enabling this setting permits users to use secure recovery methods, such as a recovery phone number or email they have added to their account, to reset their password when they can't sign in. It's a good practice to remind your users to keep their recovery information up to date in their account settings, so this works smoothly when they need it. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, recovery can also incorporate verification prompts to maintain strong security while still being self-service. After enabling the option, save your changes. You should see a confirmation that the setting has been updated. As with most admin policy changes, it can take a short time to propagate across your organization, so don't worry if it isn't reflected instantly for every user. That's all you need to do. By navigating to the admin console, opening security, going into authentication, selecting account recovery, choosing user account recovery, enabling self-service for users and non-super admins, and saving, you've empowered your users to reset their own passwords safely. This simple change reduces downtime, lightens your help desk load, and keeps your organization more resilient. Thanks for watching, and consider notifying your team so they know self-service recovery is available and how to keep their recovery details current.